Learning a second or even third language is a challenging but rewarding endeavor that can enrich your life and lead to existing new career and travel opportunities. We have previously looked at some of the easiest language and sport speaking to learn, but what about the hardest one? As a general rule, language that have significant cultural difference to English and that more difficult for English speaker to learn. So why should to choose a learn language that will require more time and effort? For one thing, some of the most difficult language to learn are the most widely spoken. Mandarin Chinese, for example, is spoken as native language by 18 million people, which make it extremely useful language to learn. Mastering a difficult language is also good for your brain, with research showing that it can lead to improved memory skill and increased focus. Looking Mastering are difficult and looking to reap some of these benefits while also acquiring a valuable new skill based on insight from the Foreign Service Institute. We have put together list and the hardest language for English speaker to learn, from the hard to especially the best thing that the which language are hard to learn. Some of the language that are hard for English speaker to learn: Iceland, Polish, Greek, Farsi, Japanese, Finnish, Turkish, Whiskey and Vizsco. Since I am writing this and in English, here are the top hardest language to learn in the world for native English speaker. The best way to learn this, you can comparison hardest language to learn in 2025, the best renew education rich culture and the best theme for the creating the best knowledge. Kindly subscribe our YouTube channel and also press the bell icon for more detail and videos. This can describe you in the Arabic spoken by over 372 million people as their language ranks second in the hardest language to learn for English speaker, and that the great chance Hindi, Polish and third is Korean, Mandarin and easiest and hardest language to vocabulary in this scene and scenario. While Urdu can be challenging, it considered morely difficult for English speaker to master. It is not easy as learn Spanish or French and tough and Mandarin. Urdu has a rich history and is spoken by millions in Pakistan, India and other part of the world.